Now we want to see, however, how the bananas are harvested. Once again, we're in the field. These bananeros are harvesting the bananas. From the emergence of the fruit stem to the harvest takes 12 to 13 weeks. 3 bananeros make up a harvest team. On the DOLE plantation, harvesting is carried out 6 days a week. Before the harvesting begins, a bananero checks the number of bananas for the last time, and if they are the right size, the bunches can be harvested. However, first of all, the sensitive banana hands are protected with foam pads. The bananas are cut down with a machete. The bananero cuts off the leaves so that the plant receives enough sun as it grows back. These leaves remain where they fall and later break down into humus. The bananero carries the bunch of bananas on a protective pad on his shoulder. Every bunch weighs around 30 kilograms. The bunch is then hung up on the Cableway Transportation system. Once 25 banana bunches have been harvested, these are then pulled to the box plant. The cableway extends through the entire plantation and has a total length of 130 kilometers. The harvested banana trains arrive in the station. First of all, the protective pads are removed and sent back to the field to be used again. Each train of bananas that arrives in the station is numbered. The location of the harvest and harvesting team is recorded. Should harvested bananas not meet the required quality, the harvest in the respective block is immediately stopped. The fresh bananas are pre-cleaned in chlorinated water and inspected. Using a very sharp knife, the banana hands are cut from the stalks of the banana bunches and immediately deposited in a cool water tank. The remaining banana stalks and the plastic bags are then recycled. A gentle current in the water tank transports the banana hands to the next work stage. Here they are inspected again and separated into clusters of 5 to 7 fingers. The clusters float to the next water tank and are laid on trays. The number of clusters on a tray corresponds to the number of bananas that will be packed in a carton. This is controlled with weighing scales. If there is the right amount, the tray is transported by conveyor to the next work stage. The bananas receive their quality label, the DOLE sticker. The stumps are sealed with paraffin. This prevents the crowns of the clusters from rotting. The bananas are now ready to be packed in the banana boxes. The packer marks his box and lays the banana clusters in the box using a specific system. Each box must contain at least 18.14 kilograms of bananas. These boxes are specially designed to be transported long distances. In addition, specially arranged perforations enable the bananas to ripen directly in the boxes. There are different types of banana packaging: loose banana hands, single bananas, or even bananas sealed in so-called consumer bags. From the harvesting of the bananas to their packaging has taken 2 to 3 hours. A last weight control. The banana boxes are assembled directly on site. A lid is put on the box before it goes on the conveyor belt. The boxes are stacked on transport pallets. Each pallet is given its own EAN barcode. This enables the bananas to be traced back to the plantation after they have arrived in Europe. Here we see again the plastic bags from the field. They have been recycled into plastic corner boards in a recycling plant in Costa Rica and now form part of the packaging system. The finished pallets are loaded onto the truck and immediately leave the Bananito farm in the direction of the port.